before we move on, no, shout out natin, pakilala natin yung kasama mo ngayon John Angeli. Ang kanyang
A lot of
alaga,
people a lot of
si
people don't
Mara.
know things about me, my personal life, kasi it's not really available sa public. Nahumiga na siya. So my dog is right here. Rottweiler siya, Nala. She's 9 months old. She lost her sibling last Saturday sa accident. Si Chomp, Corgi yun. That's why we're here for her now to support her emotionally. Kasi for us, yung pets namin, family members namin.
Mm.
So feeling namin yung shock na pagkawala ng dog namin, siya yung
Mm.
nag-absorb.
Kaya
Corgi
extra
was
busy
one,
siya.
yes, Corgi was 1 year old, na aksidente siya, tumalon siya sa
Oh,
car.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Mm. So, kaya I'm dealing with that ngayon. Pero medyo okay na ako kasi ilang days na yon. So, these
Ayan.
are the things, parang sometimes people forget na even online, yung mga people, we have a life outside. Kasi it's so easy to judge someone based on a 30-second reel. So, I always tell people, I am a daughter, I am a sister, I am someone's partner, I am someone's mother, my dog. So I hope this year, parang people will take it parang a little bit, parang chill sila sa mga taong online. Hindi naman yun yung buhay namin, di ba?
Ayan. So, thank you for sharing that, Angeli, no? Kaya ayan. So, kung makita nyo guys, si Nala na mag-hi hello dyan, yun yung reason.